Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay. If you're new, welcome. My name is Claire. I have got a bi-monthly subscription box to share with you, and it is the very heavy natural wellness box. This is what it looks like. It's got my address on the back there. So if you're new to this box and you want to learn a little bit more, then carry on watching. But if you've seen it all before and you're just curious in seeing what's inside this box, then you will find a timestamp down below in the description, so you're free to flick forward. The natural wellness box is a bi-monthly wellness, lifestyle and beauty and snacks subscription box that ships worldwide. The cost of the box is £38. There's free shipping within the UK. There's an additional £9.95 shipping to ship to Europe. To the rest of the world is an additional £17.95. They also offer 6 and 12 month subscriptions. If you don't fancy committing to a subscription, then you are able to purchase a one-off box for £42, featuring themed collections of wellness, health and beauty products. Their aim is to make you beautiful and healthy from the inside out. All the beauty products inside this box are clean, cruelty-free beauty, and inside you'll find between 5 to 7 products. This box was kindly gifted to me for free in exchange for showing you and telling you all about it on my channel. This is their July-August box. It's their summer bi-monthly box, and if you're interested in taking out a subscription for yourself, they have kindly given me a code to share with you, which is Diary10, which will entitle you to receive 10% off your box. So all links and everything related to the subscription plus that code you'll find down in my description. So underneath this video you'll see show more or a downward arrow. If you were to click that, that'll bring up my description and everything will be listed down there. So let's get on to showing you what's inside. So we get a leaflet and it details everything about the products inside the box plus the theme, which I'll talk about in a little while. So it looks like I haven't opened it up yet. This arrived literally about an hour ago. Some leaflets related to the products in the box there. And what have we got here? Ooh, we've got some gummies. I'll just give you a quick sneak peek though. Okay, so it says, welcome to your July Summer Nights collection. With holidays abroad looking more and more unlikely this summer and staycations more of a reality, we wanted to create a collection that will help you to feel positive, uplifted, body confident and ready to enjoy some blissful summer nights. All of the products we have chosen are perfect for new summer wellness rituals and creating the perfect summer evening routine. We also wanted to encourage you to feel happy and sexy within yourself and enjoy the summer with a new lease of life. Enjoy a lovely summer of wellness, Catherine. First up, we've got a candle. This is by Leah, and this is Queen Idea, or Idea. I'm not very good at pronouncing words. African moss candle. Isn't that beautiful? That is so lovely. There, can you read what it says? There. Hello. That is gorgeous. Oh, the scent is nice. The scent is really nice. Maybe it'll tell me information about what it is, what it actually smells of, because I'm not very good, as you probably know. Oh, it smells really, really lovely though. Okay. I love getting candles in boxes. So the recommended retail price for this candle is £14. We are huge fans of Laya and couldn't resist bringing you another one of their amazing products. This beautiful candle is made from clean burning sustainable coconut wax blended with notes of geranium and frankincense, top notes of lavender and hibiscus, invoking the fragrance of soft African moss. Queen Idea is a symbol of female empowerment and proof of ancient matriarchal societies. The myth tells of 2 medicine-filled incisions on the forehead that were the source of her metaphysical power. Light this candle on a relaxing summer evening, sit back and relax. That is so lovely. Yeah, I really like that. She's got a candle. We have got a product by No Secrets, and this is number 4 shower cream, I think that says. I love the simplistic packaging. It just looks like a soap bar. This is 250 mils, 100% naturally derived from plants, created to nurture you and your skin. So before I have a sniff, I'll just see what it says about it here. The recommended retail price for the shower gel is £25. This seductively sensual and calming shower cream is the perfect way to end a summer night. Beautifully soothing for sensitive skin, cocoa and shea butters blended with 4 essential oils, geranium, ylang ylang, neroli, patchouli and lavender, which creates an exotic and warming shower experience that will leave you glowing in your robe. The soothing scents of ylang ylang and neroli will help soothe you to sleep. All ingredients are 100% derived from plants and naturally occurring sources. It sounds absolutely stunning. Oh my word, neroli is my favourite scent. favourite scent in the world. I love it. Oh, that's so nice. I can smell the lavender as well. So yeah, a new brand, No Senses. The number 4 shower cream. No, I've never heard that one before. Excited to try that. Then we've got the drink that I spotted earlier on. This is new. This is by Vita Coco, infused with CBD cloved orange. We've got 20 milligram of CBD extract, and it says cheers to chill. Now Vita Coco do the coconut water drinks that have been around for years and years now, and yeah, some of them I like, some of them I don't. I have to have a flavoured one. I don't like a pure coconut water one. I just don't like it. It just tastes like I'm drinking salt water. I don't like it. But yeah, I like the fact that it's infused with CBD and cloved orange as well. I love orange. I'm not keen on clove, gotta be honest, but let's try it. It's really odd. I can't describe it. It's really odd. You've got the Vita Coco taste there, the coconut water, and then you've got the orange, and then you've got the clove sort of aftertaste, but it's not strong. I am, as I said, I'm not keen on clove at all. I know I'd happily drink all of that, which I will do afterwards. So yeah, no, it's nice and refreshing. Does it say anything about it? Oh yeah, here it is. So it looks like you get one of 3. You'll either receive apple, orange or lemon, and the recommended retail price are £2.49. A sparkling coconut water-based drink infused with 20 milligrams of CBD. With low sugar and only 23 calories, it turns out that coconuts and sun-grown hemp are a perfect match and even better paired with a busy lifestyle. They particularly recommend enjoying a can in the evening as a way to wind down after a long day. The perfect drink for summer nights. Oh, I love that. Oh, I'm gonna have to try the lemon one. Lemon is my favourite. Is my ultimate favourite tasting thing. I'm obsessed with lemons. Yeah, I'll put that behind there, so I'll have that afterwards. So yeah, so there's a drink. Then we got a sweet treat, and this is by Squirrel Sisters, peanut raspberry natural protein bar ×2. So I won't open this. I'll save this. I'm trying to eat more protein, have more protein in my diet. Squirrel Sisters was launched in 2015 by sisters Gracie and Sophie when Sophie was diagnosed with a potentially life-threatening heart condition and forced to give up sugar. Gracie started making snack bars for her so that she could enjoy something delicious without added sugars. Together as sisters, they have been campaigning for healthier diets with their no added sugar products. 5 years on from launching, and they are proud to be the only brand in the UK with a whole range of snacks that has no added sugar. Wow, I didn't know that. Oh, wonderful. Okay, so that'll be my little treat. Next, we've got Be Sexy. Flirt, fire and romance. Okay, tell me more. Bloomin' Blends. Is that the brand? Bloomin' Blends, yes it is. Botanical Boosting Tincture Blend, blended for modern life. And we've got 30 mils here. Well, this is different. So the recommended retail price for this Bloomin' Blends Be Sexy tincture is £22. 100% natural herbal tincture formulated to make you want to skip and strut. The Be Sexy blend will light your inner fire for all of the world to see. A bunch of sparkly traditional herbal extracts will try to wake you up and invigorate you for sexy action. For any sexy action. Feel that sparkle. Feel body confident and empowered, energized and sexy, ready to enjoy some summer nights of fun. A magical blend of 100% natural ethanol and glycerin herb extracts, rose petals, shatavari root, ashwagandha, Siberian ginseng and damiana leaf. With a little sexy confidence boost, take half a pipette up to 3 times a day directly under the tongue or with 100 ml of liquid. Do not exceed the recommended daily dose. Well, let's give it a go then. So it looks like there. So what does it say again? Because I'm not very good at remembering dosage. I don't want to give too much. Take half a pipette up to 3 times a day under the tongue. I'll just push it down to half so I know. Ooh, yeah, about there. It feels like a burning sensation. It's gone now, but it feels like a fiery burning sensation in the underneath my tongue, and it feels quite numb. So it's supposed to give me confidence, make me feel sexy and ready for the night ahead. Lucky husband. Maybe I need to take it longer to notice a difference, but I'll give it a go. So there's that. Next we've got a product by Mono Spa, and this is a Rosewood Reviving Mist, and this is for all skin types, and we've got a very large 300ml here. Close eyes and spray evenly over the face from about 30 centimeters. Alternatively, use to refresh and lightly fragrance the body. It is also perfect to fix makeup by lightly spraying the face. Okay. Oh, it's a nice spray. It's not too full on. Oh, I just love it. I love it. I love sprays. They're just nice and cooling, and oh, they just feel amazing. And I'm soaking myself now. Oh, so what else can I tell you about it then? The recommended retail price for this Reviving Mist is £25.95. This beautiful mist is created using an invigorating combination of lemon, rosewood and sandalwood essential oils. Skin is left feeling deliciously cool whilst providing an irresistible fragrance to awaken the senses. An innovative blend of active ingredients naturally purifies the skin, refreshing tired and dull complexion in no time. Spray on warm summer days to ensure skin stays cool and calm in humidity and heat. Perfect for a new summer wellness ritual. Yeah, definitely, definitely. We've got like an added extra here. So it's like a little sample of, what is this? Mango flavour support immunity, which contains vitamin D, vitamin C and zinc. That sounds lovely. Okay, it costs £16.99 for 60 gummies. Chew 2 gummies every day, no food or water needed. Vegan, natural flavours, no preservatives and non-GMO. I am taking a few supplements at the moment, but I'm going to have to see what are the better ones. I'm going to have to look into it to see what the better ones are. Those are all the products. I'm just going to add them all up and I'll come back. The cost of the box is £38 and it's a bi-monthly box and it has a value of £91. So going through all the products, we have got a Liha, a beautiful candle, got a No Secret number 4 shower cream. We've got a Be Sexy Botanical Booster Blend. We've got a Mono Spa Rosewood Reviving Face Mist. We've got Squirrel Sisters Peanut and Raspberry Protein Bars. We've got new Vita Coco Infused Orange Drink with added CBD. And then we've got a little sample of Fight Support Immunity Mango Flavour Gummies. As always, I really love this box. I'm really grateful to the Natural Wellness Box for sending it out to me. I get really excited when it comes through the post because it has a little bit of everything and the products are a little bit different to what I receive in other subscription boxes. I love the theme. It's definitely a summertime, summer evening, chilling out, relaxing, sort of beauty, lifestyle, wellness box. Yeah, I do really like the products. Intrigued by the sexy tincture. I'm gonna see what that is like. The spray is absolutely gorgeous. Really nice, like spraying it all over my body. That is a really, really nice spray. The candle is beautiful. The shower cream smells divine. And then the snacks as well. This is a really, really lovely box. It is more on the pricier side of subscription boxes, but it is bi-monthly and also it is a bit of a niche box because it's all to do with your wellness. And as I said at the start, their aim is to make you healthy and beautiful from the inside out. But as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of this box? Is this a subscription box for you? All your thoughts and opinions, I'd love to know. So please comment down below. But I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care and I'll speak soon. Bye.